Alright, I'm gonna see if this is better. I really like this cloud right here. It looks pretty crazy. That's a cloud. It goes up into a thunderhead, and then behind it is just snowstorm clouds going all the way back to the mountains, the Hungary, the big one and all that. But this is just a strong looking thunderhead, and I'll pull back. We're down at the Burbank airport. I don't even know if you can hear me. We're down at the Burbank airport. That's a huge thunderhead I saw. And going back is all snow storm clouds. But right here is Burbank airport. And I just was pretty amazed by this thunderhead. And there you go. Some other clouds. Here we are looking down towards LA. But this is a freaky, stormy Saturday, February, and February's going out with a bang. That was a hell of a, it